root x minus 4 plus 2 equals to root x plus 12. We are going to solve this radical equation. First, we can squaring both sides. Root x minus 4 plus 2 whole square, and here is also same, x plus 12 square. As per a plus b whole square theory, we can write root x minus 4 whole square plus 2 times root x minus 4 times 2 plus 2 square, and here is root and square will be out, so here only x plus 12. Same thing here, x minus 4, because root will be out, and then 2 times 2 is a 4, root x minus 4 plus 2 square means 4 equals to x plus 12. Now here is a plus 4 and minus 4 out, and this x we can subtract both sides. That case we get a root 4 root x minus 4 equals to x and x, it will be out, or we can write x minus x plus 12. Now 4 root x minus 4 equals to x and x out, here is a 12. Now we are dividing both sides by 4, so it will be x minus 4 equals to 3. Now again we make a square, so it will be x minus 4 is the root square equals to 3 square, right? Then this root will be out, so here is x minus 4 equals to 3 square means 9. Then x equals to, we are adding both sides by 4, so 9 plus 4, it will be 13. So our answer is 13, but here is a one condition. We have to verify the radical equation. Why? Because sometimes the result is not possible. So this case we can write in here will be like left hand side, root over left hand side, it will be root x minus 4, then plus 2. So here is a root 13 minus 4 plus 2. So 13 minus 4 is 9, and here is a plus 2. Root 9 is a 3 plus 2. The answer is 5. So what about a right hand side? We can write this one, right hand side. Here is a root x plus 12. Root x plus 12, right? So x we get 13, so 13 plus 12, then 13 plus 12 is a 25, and finally we get 5. This is our verification. So both sides we get all 5, so we can say, so x equals to, we can say x equals to 13, right? And this is our answer. It's a very important math. So solving radical equation is the common part any kinds of competitive examination, especially grade 9 higher math, IGCSE examination, Algebra 2 also. So thank you very much for being with me. Next video we will try to solve one more math like radical equation, which is root over x 11x minus 6 equals to root 12x plus 5 minus root x minus 1. It will be upcoming video. Okay, upcoming video. So next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.